everyone, today's recipe I am going to share with you palak babycorn. Let's get started and check out the ingredients. Take palak leaves, wash it twice and drain the water. Now take a container, add water and boil for 5 minutes. Now it is boiled nicely. Just after when it cools, transfer into a mixer jar. Make a fine paste like this. Now we are going to grind green chillies, ginger and garlic. Take a mixer jar, add all these three and make a coarse paste like this. It should be like this consistency. Now take babycorn, wash it nicely. Now cut it into a pieces. You can cut like circles if you want. You can cut like circles also, or else you can cut it into a like this sticks also you can do. Your wish that. I'm going to do this way. I'm going to cut all the baby corns like this. Now it is done. Now take a kadai, add oil. You can use half cup of oil so that it will fry nicely. If you fry like this and put it in the gravy means it gives crunchiness. For this step we should not forget. First little bit we should fry it in the oil. Now take out in a container. See, like this it should be. Now take the same kadai, add little oil, acidopodium, 1 teaspoon of jeera, saute it well. Now add 1 fine chopped onion, saute it well till the onions become transparent. Now add the paste what we have done, that ginger, garlic and green chillies. Mix everything well and give them a nice roast. Now add Kasuri methi, just little crush and add. Saute it well. Now add palak paste. Mix everything well. Mix it. Now you can use palak water, cooked one. Now just wash the mixer jar like this. You can use same water. Mix it nice. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix everything well. Cook for 5 to 10 minutes. Now it is, you can see, started boiling. Add fried baby corns and give them a good mix like this. Wow, it's looking very colorful. You can see the greenish nice. Now add 1 cup of milk. When you add milk, it gives very good taste and it gives a rich taste also. Don't skip this. Now mix everything well. Again cook it for 5 minutes. I am going to taste whether salt is correct. Yeah, it's looking little less. I am adding little bit. Again stir it for a while. Now it is done. You can see very nice green color. Palak babycorn is ready to serve. You can serve it hot chapatis. Thanks for watching.